Hey kids, get ready to know fun facts about volcano. Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface. When they are active, they can let ash, gas and hot magma escape in sometimes violent and spectacular eruptions. Hot liquid rock under the Earth's surface is known as magma. It is called lava after it comes out of a volcano. There are also volcanoes found on the ocean floor and even under ice caps, such as those found in Iceland. Volcanic eruptions can send ash high into the air, over 30 kilometers, 17 miles, above the Earth's surface. Common volcanic gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride and hydrogen sulfide. Hope you learned the facts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.